Hospitals everywhere are getting ready for a surge of patients. Then we should see the virus peak on April 23rd if all goes according to plan. Emory University Hospital treated patients for Ebola back in 2014, and they gave us a look at what happens when a patient comes in with this illness. Here's Atlanta Bureau Chief Archith Seshadri.
Inside Atlanta's Emory University Hospital, things are different as COVID-19 patients trickle in.
You would see that the hallways are very empty. So we have restricted visitors. The main people that are here have to be badged. In terms of what we're seeing in the hospital, about half of our patients roughly are going to the intensive care unit, and we're seeing quite a lot of pneumonia.
Infectious disease expert Dr. Colleen Kraft says she's been worried about a pandemic for years.
This has not come without fear and anxiety for healthcare workers. If you were to come talk to these individuals, they are optimistic. They're actually feeling good about what they're doing, and they're feeling safe.
Kraft, who serves on the state's coronavirus task force, says Emory has bought 50 ventilators, but are still short of personal protective equipment.
Emory Healthcare is in critical need of disposable or reusable gowns, and we are in critical need of any type of mask. So we continue to do things such as reuse personal protective equipment. We have a great partnership right now with Georgia Tech, who are basically 3D printing face shields for us. You'd be wearing your mask, but then you'd have a shield over it. And not only does that help, protect your mask, but it also does sort of a total protection of your face.
Emory can now do its own coronavirus testing with results back in 24 hours. Several models predict that Georgia could hit its peak number of cases of coronavirus within the next few weeks. That's why state leaders want you to stay at home, practice social distancing, and help flatten that curve, because otherwise the state's hospital systems would be inundated and wouldn't be able to handle the influx of patients. Reporting in Atlanta, Archith Seshadri, WJBF News Channel 6.
Also, Emory is taking part in a trial to develop a vaccine for the virus.